Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video we will see how to use update statement in your MySQL database. So we have this table, and suppose by mistake you entered a wrong name or wrong surname or wrong age here, and you want to update the age or name or surname. How you can do it, I will show. So for that you need to go to your query tab and write here update and your table name database dot data, and then write set and whatever value you want to update. For example, I want to update this name as, instead of Mark, I want to name as Jack, for example, this employee number 1. So I will write set column name. So column name is name and is equal to the new name you want to update. So I want to update, for example, John instead of Mark, and I want to edit his age also, for example. So I will write comma age is equal to 27, and after that write where, because where we want to update this data we have to provide the location of the change of data also. So we have to write where EID employee ID is equal to 1. Okay, and let's execute this query. The query is executed. Here we can see green indication, and we will check our data is updated or not. So we will go to the table, we refresh the table by this button, and you can see our data is refreshed here. So in this way you can update or edit your previously saved data by using update statement. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.